How to make pasta bake. Place a large pot onto your cooktop over high heat. Fill with water and bring to a boil. Add 400 grams of penne pasta. Cook until it's 90% done. Remove from heat. Drain and put to one side. In a large frying pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Add 3 diced chicken breasts. Cook for 10 minutes until all sides have turned white and any excess liquid has evaporated. Add 1 large chopped onion. Cook until the onion starts to soften. Add 1 chopped red bell pepper, 1 chopped green bell pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried thyme. Thoroughly mix together. Add 2 cans of chopped tomatoes. Add 1 cup of heavy cream. Continuously stir until thoroughly combined together. Add 100 grams of spinach. Simmer for 5 minutes. Add the cooked pasta. Thoroughly mix until everything is evenly combined together. Remove from heat. Transfer to a large baking dish. Cover with a generous amount of mozzarella. Carefully place the baking dish in your oven. Carefully place the baking dish in your oven. Finish. Mix. Add the cooked pasta. Mix. Mozzarella. Place in oven at 190 degrees, fan forced. Cook for 30 minutes until the cheese is golden brown. Carefully remove from oven. Serve and enjoy.